In this video, I am going to show you how to use the SUMPRODUCT function in Google Sheets. So what SUMPRODUCT does is it calculates the sum of products from data in two ranges or arrays of equal size. So this is the basic syntax here. It's SUMPRODUCT and then array 1, array 2, and you can add in additional arrays if you want, which is optional. So you basically will just put in your ranges or your arrays into the function. So just to show you how to use it, I will do it here. So sum product, and then I'm going to put in this range and this range, and you can see it equals 32. So what sum product does is it takes the products from your range, so it multiplies this by this, which is 4, this by this, which is 10, this by this, which is 18, and then it sums these products together. So you can see it's 32, which is the same as summing the products of these two ranges together. So the ranges or arrays have to be of equal size. Another thing to know is that the second array is optional, this argument. So if you don't supply it in the function, it's just going to equal 1 for every entry in your first range. So that's the same as putting 1, 1, 1, multiplying these together, and then summing them. So you can see it equals 6, equals 6. So that is the basics of how to use SUMPRODUCT. Now just to show you why it's useful and give you a better example. So in this example, I have products, I have their prices, and how many have been sold. And so what I want to know is the total revenue generated from that. So that would be a one-step formula with SUMPRODUCT. You just put in your two ranges, and then I have total revenue from these sales. Normally, to get this number, you would have to do the multiple steps of multiplying this, and then adding them all together. With SUMPRODUCT, I can do it in one formula. You can also add multiple ranges into your formula. So, kind of like the previous example, I have a product, I have the price that it sells at, I have how many sales I have had, and now I have the sales tax. So if I want to calculate the total sales tax, I can also do that with one function by just adding in this third range, because again, this is just going to multiply each of these together and then sum the final products. So this will give you the total sales tax from these sales. So that is just an example of why this function is useful. I've only really scratched the surface of this function in this video. There's a lot more dynamic ways you can use this as you advance in your skill with spreadsheets, but that is all I'm going to go over in this video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer everyone.